Hello my dear students. This is GK video for class 7. In this video, I will explain you lesson 5 to lesson 10. So here is chapter 5, the green earth. In this chapter, there are some questions. I'll give you answers of these questions. First question is, how much surface of the earth is covered by rainforest? The answer is 2%. Second question is, by which name is the stalk of a flower known? And the answer is pedicel. Third question is, which tree can attain the height of up to 40 to 50 meters and diameter of 1.8 meter? The answer is Khaya ivorensis. Fourth question is, how many groups does the plant kingdom have? And the correct answer is 4. Next question is, which tree contains a very powerful and effective insecticide? And the correct answer is neem. Next question is, which country has the largest man-made forest in the world? The answer is South Africa. Next question is, which country has the largest rainforest in the world? And the correct answer is Brazil. Next question, which types of trees shed their leaves every year? And the answer is deciduous trees. Ninth question is, by which other name are flowering plants known? And the answer is phanerochams. Next is, by which other name are non-flowering plants known? And the answer is cryptogams. Next is chapter 6, the smart plants. In this chapter, you are given some pictures and you have to identify the pictures. In exam also, you will be given either the pictures or some lines based on this. So you have to find out the answer. So read these lines carefully. Found in the dry regions of southwestern United States and Mexico. This tree has adapted to the harsh desert climates by developing a huge swollen trunk that stores large amounts of water. Its long, narrow leaves minimize the loss of moisture. And the answer is elephant's foot tree. Second is, this desert plant has tissues that retain water. Its stomata remain closed in daytime, preventing loss of moisture. It absorbs carbon dioxide at night and preserves it for the next day to enable photosynthesis. And the answer is saguaro. Next is, this aquatic herb floats in water supported by its air-filled hollow leaf stalks. Its special adaptations enable it to grow even in toxic water. And the answer is water hyacinth. Next is, this plant literally comes back from the verge of drying up. It survives long, dry spells by curling up and appearing dead. As and when it gets a little water, it uncurls and reopens. The answer is resurrection fern. Next is a parasitic plant. It lacks real roots but has root-like structures anchored to the branches of a tree. It absorbs water and nutrients from its host. The answer is mistletoe. Next is a desert plant. It stays inactive during dry spells and resembles a bunch of dead sticks. However, when it rains, it quickly grows leaves which produce food and also flowers in weeks, shedding leaves again after its speed disperses. It becomes dormant once more. And the answer is Ocotillo. Now, this is chapter 7, Forest Facts. In this chapter, you are given some words and you have to unscramble these. When you will unscramble these words, you will find the correct answer. Which word you will fill here? So, first is temperate. Dense forests abound in cool, rainy regions. The trees shed their leaves in autumn and grow new leaves in spring. Now you unscramble this word to get the correct answer. So answer is deciduous. Next is second, a dash is a type of vegetation halfway between a forest and a desert and is found in all continents except Australia and Antarctica. Now you unscramble the word to get the answer. This is steppe. Next is also called the taiga. Dash forests abound in pines and spruces. These woods have long winters and receive rainfall between 10 to 20 inches. And when you will unscramble these letters, so you will get boreal. Next is dash forests are common along edges of riverine deltas in tropical and subtropical regions. These forests are salt tolerant. So when you will unscramble these letters, you will get title. So answer is title. Next is fifth is dash are warm, wet and very dense forests that are crucial to the planet's ecology. So the answer is rainforests. And next is tropical grassland ecosystem typified by small or widely spaced trees not forming a continual canopy. It is also called a savanna. Now this is chapter 8. Your environment score. First is here you are given questions and you find the correct answer. Choose the correct option. Here, which country is the largest producer and consumer of energy in the world? The answer is USA. Next is which book has the record of the endangered species of flora and fauna of the world? And the correct option is Red Data Book. Yes. Third is who first predicted the greenhouse effect? And the correct option is Svante Arrhenius. Fourth is which famous extinct bird has become the symbol of extinction? And the correct option is dodo. Fifth is which international NGO is a leading ecological watchdog? The answer is Greenpeace. Next is which day is the World Environment Day celebrated on? Yes, the correct option is 5th June. Next question is which harmful gas is emitted by automobiles and industrial factories? And the correct option is carbon monoxide. Next is out of paper and plastic, Which substance is non-biodegradable? Yes, plastic. The correct option is plastic. Ninth, which gas is used for preparing soda water? And the correct option is carbon dioxide. Next is, what is the color of the bin that is used for containing biodegradable waste? And the color is green. Next is, which among plants and trees and coal are renewable? Yes, the answer is plants and trees. 12th is, which animal is the logo of Worldwide Fund for Nature? And the correct answer is giant panda. Yes, next is chapter 9, garbage out. In this chapter, you are given some items and you have to write which items are biodegradable and which items are non-biodegradable. So, first is a sheet of glass. This is non-biodegradable. A piece of cloth. This is biodegradable. Polythene bags. This is non-biodegradable. Floppies. This is also non-biodegradable. Vegetable and fruits skins, biodegradable. Plastic bottles, non-biodegradable. Metal containers, non-biodegradable. A piece of paper, biodegradable. Timber, biodegradable. Leaves, and leaves are also biodegradable. Now exercise B, true or false. First is, scenic beauty of the environment is affected by the plastic bags. This is true. And next is, polythene bags are easy to dispose of. This is false. These are not easy to dispose of. Next chapter is the forest quiz. Here also you are given some pictures, but you have to read all the lines carefully to get the answers. So first is, this forest is part of the world's largest delta formed by river Ganga, Brahmaputra and Meghna, abode of the mangroves and the site of a tiger conservation project. And the answer is Sundarbans. Second, famed redwood forest of Northern California, having some of the oldest and largest trees on earth. These forests are facing denudation on account of rampant use of wood as industrial raw material. The answer is the Californian old growth forest. Third is the fabled home of Robin Hood. This forest in England boasts of a rich wildlife and 1,000 ancient oak trees. And the answer is Sherwood Forest. Next is once famed as Tiger Land. These deciduous forests of central India have been mercilessly exploited by the forest mafia for wood, forest produce, and the region's prized possession, the tiger. Yes, the answer is tropical mixed terrain Indian jungle. Now, this is the last chapter for the UT, chapter 10, Earth Threats. Here also, you are given some question, but these questions are based on this passage which is given in the book. First of all, you read this passage carefully and then you can easily find the answers. I am giving you answers here. First is, which flue gases cause acid rain? The answer is sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide. How is smoke harmful to living beings? And the answer is It affects the functioning of heart and lungs and causes breathing problems. Third is name any two greenhouse gases. So these gases are carbon dioxide and methane. Fourth question, why is a certain amount of greenhouse gases necessary to support life on Earth? Greenhouse gases act as protective blanket that saves the Earth from harmful ultraviolet radiations of the sun. Next is name an environment-friendly methane-rich gas formed by fermentation of animal dung, human sewage, and crop residue. So the answer is biogas. Sixth question, name the device fitted in motor vehicles to reduce the emission of harmful gases chemically. The answer is catalytic converter. Next is over which continent was a huge hole in the ozone layer first observed in 1985? And the answer is Antarctica. Eighth, which pollutant is not found in vehicular exhaust emissions? The answer is mercury. Question number 9. Name the most energy efficient option used at homes. So the correct answer is LED or light emitting diode bulb. So now this is all about from lesson 5 to 10. So thank you for watching this video.